Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. My name is Tracy. So today I'll be helping my son do this puzzle. I've had this puzzle here for like almost 3 years, so I don't know if it had an issue with that, the outcome of the image. But anyways, this is all the stuff you can do on it, and it's really a cute idea if you want to do ABCs or things like that for your child. But I had it and I offered my son to do for Valentine's for his girlfriend, and so this is basically what it looks like. It's a little bit shy of 8 by 10. This is the directions, the front and the back, and the paper that you use is for white transfer, because then you have to flip it and flip the image like I did. And I'm covering up her face for privacy. That's my son, and I'm covering up her name. So these are the images that he picked, and the different names, and you have to loosen up the puzzle a little bit before you iron it on, and put your pillowcase. Try, and some people I see flip the image over, and where the paper is on the bottom and the puzzle is facing down. But anyways, that's what I have. I'm doing the iron. If you have a heat press, maybe it'll work better, but I've also done heat transfer with the iron and it works fine. So I just think that I didn't like how to turn out because maybe the puzzle was old. It took a while to peel off, and you had to peel it very, very careful. And I didn't have any nails at the time, so it was kind of hard. Hey, if you haven't done by now, can you please go at the bottom and hit the subscribe button? Thank you. I'm almost at 10,000, you guys. So anyways, I'm slowly peeling it off because I didn't know what to expect. I've been doing custom shoes, but I use it for dark material. So basically you don't mirror the image and you don't mirror the paper. You just iron on the paper. You cut out the image the way you want it, and you iron on the front of the image. Whereas with this one, you have to flip it in order to iron and hope that it transfer. So I'll show you what it looks like when I am done transferring the paper. A lot of people do this puzzle I've seen for YouTube, but they don't show the puzzle, how they take it, how they break it up. So you see the little white spots and stuff that's left, like it didn't do a complete transfer. It looked good, really. It wasn't a problem because you could say it was kind of like rustic kind of image. But then when time to break it up, pieces were peeling. So some of them we had to use an X-Acto knife and a little piece of scissors to separate them and make sure it doesn't peel and damage. So this is how some of them look, just to show you when you peel it off. And so anyways, hope you like it. He's going to be giving it to her tomorrow, so it's going to be cute. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Anyway, she's going to put the puzzle together and see what it is when she puts it together. Bye-bye.